We are always thrilled to hear about updates from you about your progress toward your fitness goal. This is because we have structured our service in a way that makes it easy as possible for you to reach your goals. There are 6 key components of our service that contribute to your success. First, we use an algorithm on our website to gather your physical information and fitness goals, so we can understand exactly what your body needs to reach those goals. Based on this information, we determine the precise amount of macronutrients your body requires to get you to where you want to be. Second, it's important that your body is receiving the right combination of ingredients for a complete and balanced diet. Our meals are carefully formulated with the right balance of macro and micronutrients to fuel your body and keep you performing at your best. Third, we have a dedicated team of chefs and researchers who are constantly working to develop new and delicious meal options. We know that variety is important when it comes to sticking to a new diet, so we strive to come up with 15 new menu items each week to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Fourth, our culinary team uses best practices to ensure that our meals are properly portioned, have great flavor and texture, and are safe to eat. Fifth, we vacuum seal our meals to extend their freshness so that they can be enjoyed anytime during the week. Finally, our meals are delivered directly to your door in insulated bags with ice packs to make it as convenient as possible for you to enjoy healthy, nutritious meals. Overall, these 6 aspects of our service work together to make it easier for you to achieve your fitness goals, which is what inspires us every single day. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.